Well, it's that time of year again, the holiday season. A perfect time to get together with our friends, family, and loved ones to share good stories, good memories, and good food. That's right, the holiday season is the perfect time to share and eat all different kinds of recipes, many which have been passed down for generations. Most are pretty typical: a green bean casserole, creamy mac and cheese, maybe grandma's famous pecan pie. But some families get a little more creative with their recipes. Today, we are going to be diving into one of the quirkiest corners of the internet, Reddit. Here, we found a thread full of family recipes so unique, they'll definitely raise some eyebrows or turn some stomachs. So, let's look at some of the weirdest recipes that users on Reddit have dared to share. Alright, so first up we have some girl, and they say wilted lettuce, cooked crumbled bacon, and chopped green onions, topped on chopped green leaf lettuce. Save the grease, mix it while hot with vinegar and sugar, then pour it over the lettuce and mix until wilted. Serve right after. One of my favorite dishes to do. User Sprite King 2012 says, oh, easy. Frog eye salad. They say it's a fruit salad of sorts. You take canned pineapple and mandarin oranges, drain and save the juice. Use the juice to make a pudding. Boil Annocchini.
Acini di pepe.
To the cooked pasta, add the pudding, fruit, and a tub of Cool Whip. The original recipe called for coconut and marshmallow, but we always left them out. The texture is just so enjoyable. Glad there weren't frog eyes in it. User Pusheen Butters 1 says grape jelly meatballs. Sounds super gross, but they're actually really good. Meatballs in a sauce made of grape jelly and chili sauce. Mom made them every year on New Year's Eve, and now I make them for my husband to take to work potlucks, LOL. Alright, user Sir Bentley89 says, my wife eats peanut butter, mayonnaise, and bologna. It was her grandpa's favorite, and it kinda slaps. User Han_Yeri says, got a recipe for roast pigeon I found in a late 1800s cookbook. Not the pigeons, man. They just want to be our friend. So, those are some of the weirdest recipes that Reddit has to offer. Do you have a weird family recipe of your own? Let us know in the comments below. I'm Marissa Jenkins with AAA State of Play. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful holiday season, and we'll see you next time.